Hey there, what's up everyone? Hope you're doing really good today. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install your SIM card and SD card into your LG G8. All right, so I'm gonna be showing you how to install the SIM card and the SD card, and I'm gonna be showing you how to set up the SD card so that pictures and videos that you take from now on will be saved to the SD card rather than the internal memory of the phone. And then I'll also show you how to transfer old files from the internal memory of the phone to the SD card so that you can free up space on your LG G8 ThinQ and be able to download more apps or take more pictures and videos because maybe your memory is full. All right, let's get right into it. So over here on this side, we're gonna have a small opening right here. So that's where we're gonna stick in the SIM ejector tool. Once you stick it in, the SIM card tray is gonna pop up just a little bit, then we can go ahead and pull it out. So here is the SIM and SD card tray. So we're gonna go ahead and place the SIM card up here first. It's a nano SIM, and the SD card right under it. All right, so once you have them both installed, we're gonna go ahead and place them into the phone. So place them in and slide them in gently. So if your SIM card is activated, after a few seconds, it should pick up signal right away. And as you can see, the reception bars picked up signal. Like I said, if your SIM card is activated, it will pick up signal right away, and you'll be able to start making calls, text messages, use data, everything right away. So let's go ahead and show you now how to set up your SD card so that the pictures and videos that you take from now on save to the SD card. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the camera, and then once you open up the camera, it should automatically give you this message. It says camera storage, change storage to SD card. So here what you will select is just select change right here. Once you do that, pictures and videos that you take from now on will be saved to the SD card automatically. If you don't get that message, you can also change this by going into the settings up here. Go ahead and scroll down to storage, and then once you're in storage, go ahead and make sure that SD card is selected. Once it's selected, you are good to go, and pictures and videos will begin to be saved to the SD card rather than the internal memory of the phone. All right, so now I'm gonna show you how to transfer old files from the internal memory of the phone to the SD card. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna find your file manager or my files, and that's gonna be over here in your management folder. It's gonna say file manager. You're gonna select allow. Okay, so up here in file manager, you're gonna select the three lines up here. And first we're gonna select internal storage because that's where we wanna transfer from. So first select internal storage. Here, for the purpose of this video, we're gonna select pictures and videos to transfer over. So we're gonna select DCIM, that's where the pictures and videos are held, and in the camera folder. So here I have a couple pictures and videos. You're probably gonna have a lot more. All right, so once we're here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna select the three dots, you're gonna select move, and then we're gonna hit the select all button up here at the top to select all of them. Okay, so now we're gonna hit move down here. Now we're gonna have to find the file that we wanna move it to. So we wanna move it to the SD card. I'm gonna save it in the same file in the SD card, DCIM folder. And I'm gonna create a new folder since this is a LG G8. We'll name it LG G8. And I'll select that folder. And we're gonna move it all here. So select OK. Once you find the folder you wanna move it to. There you go. The pictures and videos are now in the new folder that I created. So let's go ahead and go back to the internal storage and check and make sure that it was moved out. So internal storage, DCIM, camera. And as you can see, there are no more files in the internal storage. So you have freed up space by moving it to the SD card. And then another thing to keep in mind is you can transfer over any other one of these file types that you want to transfer over from your internal memory to your SD card so that you can free up space on your LG G8. All right, everyone, so that was how you install your SIM card and SD card on your LG G8 ThinQ. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, go ahead and give it a like. It really helps me out. And that is it for now. I'll see you in the next video. And as always, peace.